Very good morning, student. Student, almost to have completed chapter first. Now, some one mark questions. I remind you, and you can prepare other question to like this way, right? First question is, what is the infant mortality rate of India during British rule? Answer is 218 per thousand. Second question is, state the life expectancy in India during British rule. During the British rule, life expectancy was 32 years and now present 68 years, right? What do you mean by the infant mortality rate? Infant mortality rate means number of death of children below the age of 1 year per thousand live birth, right? Give the name of one economist who estimated India's per capita income during colonial period. The answer is Dadabhai Naoroji and Professor B.K.R.V. Rao. Right? Question 5. What is meant by commercialization of agriculture? The commercialization of agriculture means production of crop for sale in market rather than for self-consumption. Right? What was the motive behind the deindustrialization by colonial government in India? The following are the reasons of deindustrialization by the colonial government or British government in India. First, to get raw material from India at cheap rate. Second, to sell British manufacturing goods in Indian market at high price. Right? Students, 7 questions. Which industry were adversely affected due to partitions? Means badly affected. Jute and textile industry, right? What does the export surplus means? Export surplus means when export of countries is more than import. Now stand, what percent of India working population was engaged in secondary and tertiary sector during British rule? 10% in secondary sector and 18% in tertiary sectors. Now students, hope you understand these questions. Have a great day ahead. Thanks for watching this. Like and subscribe it. I am Mamraj Singh. Thank you, economic teachers.